leisure, I thought to make a pancake to chill up the mood and share the recipe with you. So let's begin. So forgot to tell you one thing. So I'm going to make 3 type of pancakes. So one is chocolate, second is flavor regular, and the third is mix of chocolate plus regular. Okay. So I have following things with me: 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup all-purpose flour Maida, 1 cup milk, butter, baking powder, ghee. Then this is butterscotch essence, salt, and baking soda. So first you need to mix the all-purpose flour into the pan equally. After that, half the spoon of baking soda into this batter and half of baking soda into this batter. Then comes the sugar, 1.5 spoon to this and 1.5 spoon to this. Okay. Then we'll add the essence just for the flavor. If you don't have it, that's fine. Few drops into this batter and few into this. That's it. Okay. Now comes the salt. Okay. Pinch of salt into this batter and pinch of, I guess I need to add more into this batter. Okay. Now what comes the next is adding ghee. If you want to add butter instead of ghee, you should go ahead. Okay, but I prefer ghee. Okay. So 1 and 2 small spoons of ghee here and 2 small spoons of ghee here. Okay. Then comes baking powder. 1 spoon to this and 2nd spoon to this. Now the only thing that is remaining is adding the cocoa powder. Now because this batter is just of chocolate flavor and this is regular, so I won't be adding cocoa powder to this batter. Okay, so I'll add 1 tablespoon to this batter. Okay. And that's it. The final thing comes, that is, this is eggless, so I won't be adding egg. So slowly to both the batter. Okay, first I'll give it a mix and then if required I'm done with the mixing and this should be the consistency. So my batter is ready. So a small update that for this batter I required 1 full cup of milk and separate for this one. So in total I had 2 cups of milk and I'll leave this batter for about 5 to 10 minutes. Because I'm making 3 pancakes at a time, so I'm using a larger pan for this. So initially you need to preheat the pan. It should be near to medium heated, not so heated. And here are our 2 batters. This is ghee for greasing. As I said, you can again use the butter. Okay, so my pan is heated. I'll put some ghee to it. Make the smaller ones. I'll take this one batter and pour it. Yay! Okay. So now comes the chocolate one. I put the ghee here. Little. Take my chocolate batter and place it here. I know it's not perfectly round, but that's okay. You can try for that. And the last one comes for the mixing one. I'll make that smaller because that's also my experimented one. Okay, here this half. And then comes the other half, like this. So I guess I should correct my shape. That's look very funny. Okay. Nice. So here are my 3 batters and pancakes. So I just pour some ghee on top of it just to see what flavor does it comes, and let it heat it. You see it will move, but that's not done from that side. So keep it for 2 minutes maximum, and then we'll flip. So you can see how fluffy it is. We'll flip the side to see if it's done. Yeah. So all my 3 pancakes are ready. We'll serve them in a plate. So the last step is to add some butter on top of it. And this. And if you like, you can add some honey too. So this is post 5 minutes. Yeah. Guys, this was the most instant recipe I ever made, and if you feel I should come up with more recipes and cooking thing in a professional way, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe.